Dear judges, we hope that you are well. Our group is called Project KMC. Due to the coronavirus, we have not been able to meet up, and so we have communicated via Zoom and WhatsApp. We hope that you take the time to watch our video and think about our ideas. Thank you.
I'm Auguste from Project KMC. Now that we have reached the end of the competition, there are a few things that I would have chosen to do differently, starting with the fact that we put more effort into the Lego rover than the presentation. And if we had not got through to the next round, all our work on the rover would have gone to waste, as we wouldn't have been using it. Another thing is that we didn't work together much. We ordered different things, and then we all put them together to edit the PowerPoint, which meant we only worked together to put it together.
My design consists of a remote-controlled rover. It can be driven on any surface because of the tank treads. When the operator sees plastic through the camera, he presses a button that activates a type of vacuum cleaner that sucks in the plastic and other pieces of debris on the surface. It is moved to a compartment with a sieve small enough so that the plastic stays, but the debris goes through the sieve and comes out the back through a pipe. The plastic is then shifted into another compartment and is emptied while the robot returns to the operator. Thank you for listening to my talk.
Hello, my name is Ishan. I am the team leader of Project KMC. My role has been to overlook the whole course of the competition, have a basic plan of what we would do, and help my teammates when they needed assistance. One of the questions asked was, what do you think is the most important thing that you have learned over the course of the competition? Firstly, we worked with people who we never thought we would work with before. We also learned the significance of how dangerous plastic really is, and we built our STEM and science knowledge even more through our research. Last of all, we learned how to design a vehicle and add labels to help others understand. Here is my design. The vehicle is remote controlled, and so it is controlled from far away. It has a shovel which picks up the plastic and then it is dumped into an extra part of the vehicle, where it is all processed. The mud enters and water mixes with it. Then there is a conveyor belt where there are holes small enough to allow the mud and water to pass through. Once the mud and water have fallen through the holes, they go on another conveyor belt. The holes on this are big enough this time to allow the water through, where it is pushed in a pipe to the beginning and cleaned. The mud, however, just comes out of the vehicle and is left alone. At the beginning, I said that the mud and water go through the holes. Well, after that, the plastic is pushed into a compartment. The plastic is then shredded in the vehicle and then compacted to make space.
Hello, my name is Mia and I was the designer of Project KMC. We had designed the vehicle, but in the process of moving around, we managed to break the charger. It was frustrating, but we managed to fix it. After all the planning and experiments, we realised the design wasn't very logical, and now we have rethought it. We kept that as a draft, but now we have a better idea that's more logical. When we were doing our experiment, our vehicle was very hard to control. We managed to break it and then we had to rebuild it, which was quite hard. Here is my vehicle design. At the back there is a solar panel, which our vehicle runs off. There is also a robotic arm that picks up the plastic and a water jet which washes all the mud away. At the back there is a disposal where all the leftover rocks and other things it may pick up that's not plastic goes and comes out of. Our vehicle is controlled by someone far away from the site. Once it's been driven to the site, then a water jet will wash away the mud from the plastic, and then it is picked up by a robotic arm. Once it's been picked up by the robotic arm, it's put inside the vehicle, which can be looked for by a camera. Plastic and other things it may have picked up are sorted out. Anything it didn't mean to pick up is taken out by the disposal. Once our vehicle has taken all the plastic and got rid of all the waste, it is driven back to the site to be recycled.
Hello, my name is Farah and I am the researcher. If we could have changed something about the competition, we would have changed it so that we didn't have to spend time making a large presentation. Also, we would have preferred it if we could have done a video describing our vehicle and showing us doing our experiment. Lastly, it would have been nice to have age categories such as the under 11s or the under 15s, so that we didn't have to compete against children a lot older than us.
Overall, we think our design could help solve plastic pollution on mudbanks and even in other places. We have worked together as a team. Even though we've had a few problems along the way, we've managed to solve them. I think with all our features, we have created a working design, from the water jet to the disposal. We have learnt so much over this process and we hope you agree with us. We think that we could help solve plastic pollution, and doing this we have learnt so much about plastic pollution and we hope to learn more. Thank you for watching our video.